Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ian's Wellness Journey. Today, we're diving into a delicious and nutritious 7-day low-sugar meal plan designed for those looking to maintain a calorie deficit while still enjoying flavorful meals. This plan is structured around 1,200 calories a day, focusing on whole foods that are low in sugar but high in nutrients. Plus, we've added a delightful snack to keep you energized throughout the day. If you're ready to embark on a week of healthy eating, let's get started. Monday breakfast, 300 calories, avocado toast, 1 slice of whole grain bread topped with half an avocado, sprinkled with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Side, 1 hard-boiled egg. Drink herbal tea or black coffee. Start your day with healthy fats and protein. It's filling and energizing. Lunch, 350 calories, grilled chicken salad, 3 ounces, grilled chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinaigrette. Snack, 1 small apple. Refreshing and packed with protein. The apple adds natural sweetness. Dinner, 450 calories. Zucchini noodles, 1 cup zucchini noodles, sauteed with garlic, olive oil, and cherry tomatoes. Protein, 4 ounces baked salmon, seasoned with herbs. Side, steamed broccoli. Zucchini noodles are a low-carb pasta alternative, and salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Daily total, 1,200 calories. Tuesday breakfast, 300 calories. Greek yogurt parfait, 1 cup. Plain Greek yogurt topped with mixed berries and cinnamon. Drink green tea. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar. Lunch, 350 calories. Quinoa bowl, half cup cooked quinoa, black beans, bell pepper, and avocado. Snack, carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner, 450 calories. Stuffed bell peppers, 1 large bell pepper stuffed with ground turkey, tomatoes, onion, and spices. Side salad with vinaigrette. Stuffed peppers are colorful and a fun way to add vegetables. Daily total, 1,200 calories. Wednesday. Breakfast, 300 calories. Smoothie, blend, 1 cup spinach, half banana, half cup unsweetened almond milk, and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Smoothies are a great way to start your day. This one is packed with nutrients and low in sugar. Lunch, 350 calories. Chicken wrap, whole wheat wrap, filled with 3 ounces grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, and a smear of mustard. Snack, 10 almonds. A wrap is a convenient and satisfying option for lunch. The almonds add healthy fats. Dinner, 450 calories. Vegetable stir fry. Saute a mix of broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Protein, 3 ounces tofu or shrimp, seasoned with soy sauce and ginger. Side, half cup brown rice. Stir fries are quick, easy, and versatile. You can use whatever veggies you have on hand. Daily total, 1,200 calories. Thursday. For breakfast, we have oatmeal. Half a cup of rolled oats cooked with water, topped with 1 tablespoon of almond butter and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Oatmeal is a perfect breakfast choice, providing fiber and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Moving on to lunch, we have a bowl of homemade lentil soup with carrots, celery, and spices, accompanied by a small orange as a snack. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, making this soup hearty and nourishing. For dinner, we have 4 ounces of baked chicken thighs with herbs. On the side, we have roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. 1 cup in total. Bacon chicken thighs keeps them juicy and flavorful. Pairing them with roasted veggies makes for a wholesome dinner. And that brings our daily total to 1,200 calories. Friday, breakfast, 300 calories. Chia seed pudding, 1/4 cup chia seeds soaked overnight in 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, topped with a few slices of kiwi. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making this pudding a nutritious start to your day. Lunch, 350 calories. Tuna salad, 3 ounces canned tuna, mixed with 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, mustard, diced celery, and served on a bed of mixed greens. Snack, 1 pear. This tuna salad is light yet filling, perfect for lunch. Dinner, 450 calories. Eggplant parmesan, baked eggplant slices, layered with marinara sauce and a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Side mixed green salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Eggplant parmesan is a fantastic way to enjoy a classic dish with fewer carbs. Daily total, 1,200 calories. Saturday, breakfast, 300 calories. Scrambled eggs, 2 scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Side, 1 slice of whole grain toast. Eggs are a great source of protein. Adding spinach and feta gives extra flavor and nutrients. Lunch, 350 calories. Vegetable quinoa salad, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa mixed with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, parsley, and a squeeze of lemon. Add a snack of 1 small apple with 1 tablespoon of almond butter. This salad is refreshing and full of flavors, making it perfect for a light lunch. Dinner, 450 calories. Grilled shrimp skewers, 4 ounces grilled shrimp, skewered with bell peppers and onions. Side, cauliflower rice, sauteed with garlic and herbs. Grilled shrimp is delicious and pairs wonderfully with cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Daily total, 1,200 calories. Sunday, breakfast, 300 calories. Smoothie bowl, blend 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 banana, and 1 tablespoon peanut butter, topped with sliced strawberries and a few pumpkin seeds. A smoothie bowl is a fun way to enjoy breakfast, and it's customizable to your preferences. Lunch, 350 calories. Caprese salad, sliced tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a snack of 1 cup of cucumber slices with 2 tablespoons of tzatziki sauce. Caprese salad is light and refreshing, perfect for a Sunday lunch. Dinner, 450 calories. Turkey meatballs, 4 ounces turkey meatballs, served with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. Side, steamed green beans. Turkey meatballs are a lean protein choice, and zucchini noodles make a great low-carb alternative to pasta. Daily total, 1,200 calories. And there you have it, folks, a 7-day low-sugar meal plan that totals 1,200 calories each day. This plan is designed to nourish your body while keeping sugar intake low, helping you stay on track with your health goals. Remember, it's all about balance, and you can always adjust portion sizes to meet your individual needs. If you enjoyed this meal plan, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy recipes and tips. Happy cooking, and see you next time. Remember to stay healthy, stay well, and keep thriving.